welcome to MDC Learning. So, in today's video, we are going to cover very important topic from FI BCom, and the name of topic is conditions for price discrimination. Student, already we have done what is price discrimination and its degrees. So, in today's topic, we are going to cover very important concept that is called conditions for price discrimination. Before start the condition for price discrimination, let me tell you that what is price discrimination. See, the word discrimination refers to difference, or we can say different way. So price discrimination means when for a single product a firm charge different price from different consumer is called price discrimination. Price discrimination means for single product under single entity, or we can say single selling, when firm charging different price from different customer. In short, or in simple word, price discrimination means different price for same product from different customer. For example, there is firm A who is selling kurtis in the market. So for from some consumer he will charge 300 rupees because consumers are good in bargaining, and from some consumer he will charge 400 rupees because they are not good in bargaining. So for same type of kurti, a seller charge different price from different customer. That is called price discrimination. Now we will cover what are the conditions for price discrimination. It means that how firm can charge different price from different customer for same product. So what are the conditions? So let's start the conditions for price discrimination. So number one condition is non transferability of goods. It means that when goods are not able to transfer from one place to another place, that time monopolist he is in a position to do price discrimination. It means that sometimes goods are not able to transfer from one place to another place. It means that due to some geographical reason, due to some other reason, we are not able to transfer goods from one place to another place, so that firm get opportunity to do price discrimination. It is generally happen like land we cannot transfer from one place to another place, so there are different prices for land in villages as well as cities. Then perishable product, so when goods are not able to transfer from one place to another place, so for same product different monopolists charge different price for different customer. Next is geographical distance. When two market are geographical located far away from each other, that time monopolist of particular market get opportunity to do price discrimination. Such as same product you can purchase from Mumbai market at rupees 50, and same product you can purchase from Pune market at rupees 50, but geographically both the market are far away from each other. So so the consumer will not go to Pune to purchase that commodity, otherwise 100 rupees he will spend in a traveling cost. So monopolist of both the market, they will get opportunity to do price discrimination. Next is political barrier. First of all, barrier means one type of rukawat we can say, or disturbance. So political barrier is also responsible for price discrimination. It means that if there is a political disargument, and if there is a political barrier between two market, it means that the part of one country cannot sell their commodity to other country, and the part of other country cannot sell their commodity to first one. सो मतलब जब दो प्लेस के बीच में पॉलिटिकल बैरियर हो, मीन्स पॉलिटिकल फाइट हो, सो दोनों प्लेस के मार्केट के जो फर्म होते हैं, दे गेट अपॉर्चुनिटी टू डू प्राइस डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. मतलब कि इफ़ विल टॉक अबाउट ढाका एंड कोलकाता, the firm of the consumer of Dhaka cannot come to Kolkata, and the consumer of Kolkata cannot go to Dhaka to purchase any goods. So due to political barrier between two market, the monopolist of these two market will get opportunity to do price discrimination. Next is tariff barrier. Tariff is one type of tax. Tariff barrier also affect or we can say tariff barrier is also responsible for price discrimination. Tariff generally imposed by government to protect their domestic firm from foreign competition. So when government use tariff barrier to reduce import and to protect their domestic firm from foreigners, that time domestic firm always get opportunity to do price discrimination. Next is ignorance. Sometimes many consumers are ignorant in nature. It means that they ignore. They don't know about the market situation. They don't know about the market prices. There are many consumers though they are not aware about market information. They don't know what price policy is prevailing in the market, what type of goods are available, what prices change, or we can say how much prices has fall, कुछ नहीं पता रहता है. So this type of situation advantage is taken by firm. See, there are many new firm, they used to go to market and purchase the commodity. So due to their ignorance, sometimes firm charge higher price for the commodity which is available at less rate. नेक्स्ट इज नेग्लिजिबल प्राइस डिफरेंस. नेग्लिजिबल मीन जिसे हम अवॉइड कर सकते, छोटा सा वी कैन से. सो समटाइम प्राइस डिस्क्रिमिनेशन इज वेरी नेग्लिजिबल. इट मीन दैट वी कैन अवॉइड इट. सो this situation also give opportunity to firm to do price discrimination. For example, you went to market to purchase vegetable. So for same vegetable, firm will charge 10 rupees from you and 12 rupees from other. So the difference is only 2 rupees. So the difference is negligible. So there are many consumers, they avoid such type of situation, and this situation advantage is taken by monopolist and they do price discrimination. Next is price quality link. See, many people consider that if the product have higher price, it means that the quality is very good. If the product have low price, it means that quality is bad. So many people consider that सस्ते का माल रस्ते में, और वी कैन सी दैट जिस कमोडिटी का प्राइस कम है उसका क्वालिटी कम है. सो ड्यू टू दिस मेंटेलिटी, firm always get opportunity to charge higher price from the customer. There are many firms those who make fool to people and they show to people कि whatever commodity you are purchasing इसका बहुत quality है and it's like it has more demand in the market and all. So they just attract consumer and sell that commodity at higher price, and the consumer, those who consider इसका higher price है, इसका मतलब वो product अच्छा है, so they used to purchase it. You must be observed that in vegetable market there are many firm जो टोमेटो सस्ते में बेच रहा है 20 रुपये किलो, पीपल विल नॉट गो एंड परचेस इट. दोज हु कंसिडर प्राइस क्वालिटी लिंक, और जो फर्म एकदम डेकोरेट करके वही टोमेटो 50 में बेच रहा है, सो कस्टमर विल थिंक कि 50 वाला इज बेटर देन 21. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ सिचुएशन ऑलवेज गिव अपॉर्चुनिटी टू फर्म टू डू प्राइस डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. देन लोकेशन. See, price discrimination also affected by location. Location is also responsible for a price discrimination. Okay, you must be observed that कि government see, there are many industries those who are located nearby market, or we can say कि particular industry और पर्टिकुलर प्लेस कहाँ पर लोकेटेड है उसकी बेसिस पे भी प्राइस डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होता है. फॉर एग्जांपल 2 BHK हाउस हैव अ मोर प्राइस इन मुंबई साइड एंड 2 BHK हाउस हैज़ लेस प्राइस इन विरार साइड. even though structure is same, pattern is same, but there is a difference in location. So same type house available in Andheri 2 BHK at 2 crore rupees, and same type of house available in Virar 2 BHK, same pattern, all the facility at 80 lakh rupees. So the point is that location also give opportunity to firm to do price discrimination. एक और example ले सकते हैं. The firm who is selling vegetables in Lokanwara market and the firm who is selling vegetable in normal simple market, there will be difference in a price even though product are same. Next is government sanction. Sanction means approval. Sometimes government sanction is also responsible for a price discrimination, or we can say that कि sometimes government gives sanction to many sector for welfare purpose, and that give opportunity to firm to do price discrimination. For example, for same education, firm government has sanctioned that कि girls will charge at a low fees and boys will charge at a more fees, or we can say that due to government sanction there are less electricity bill for household user, and there are more electricity bill for industrial user. So these are the reason for price discrimination. In short, price discrimination is a one type of a act, or we can say price discrimination is a one type of process where firm charge different price from different customer for a same product. मतलब एक ही प्रोडक्ट के लिए फर्म अलग अलग कस्टमर से अलग अलग प्राइस चार्ज करता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड प्राइस डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. एंड प्राइस डिस्क्रिमिनेशन possible, or we can say price discrimination take place due to various conditions are non-transferability of goods, geographical distance, then political barriers, tariff barrier, ignorance, negligible price differences, price quality link, location, and government sanction. So students, those who were absent during Zoom classes, go to entire video. This video will definitely help you to understand what is price discrimination and what are the conditions for price discrimination. God bless you.